We're over with the team now at Weston Analytics, and I'm joined by the lovely Philip, who's going to talk to us about some of the wonderful sustainable interventions that they have been creating. So I'm very excited about this. Philip, how are you?
I'm good, thank you very much, Louise. How are you?
Yeah, really good, thank you. So it's amazing what you have been up to. I know we were just chatting a moment ago, but let's go through just all of it really, and about how your business is really being a bit of a game changer.
Yeah, we're all about the sustainability in construction. We practice what we preach. The set around you today, 2 weeks ago, these materials were all on building sites, pallets, bits of wood, scaffold boards, and we've turned it into our set for this show today.
I love that, and it's really creative that you've done that. And I think, you know, we hear it so much, but sometimes it's just words. So actually putting it into action and something you can physically see, I'm sure that's just had the best reaction from people.
Totally. I mean, we had a really great quote from a potential customer yesterday who said that a lot of companies in the construction business get told what to do on sustainability and recycling. And what this person said is, this is the how. We've showed them the how. So we're really happy with that.
Yeah, that's a great quote. You should take that, put it on your website, do what you need to do with it.
Yeah, indeed. It's go to our socials in due course.
Perfect. All right, well, let's break it down then in a little bit more detail then, because I know we've got a screen behind us that looks very complex, but I know it isn't.
It's not. It's a simple principle, and we've developed a software platform for managing waste on construction sites. The problem with managing waste on construction sites is that often the waste gets mixed up. Subcontractors who are throwing waste away and have no real interest in disposing of it properly. And we've developed a system that allows the main contractor or the developer to properly account for the waste, track it to its proper disposal, to gather the ESG data they need to prove that they have done so, and to make sure that the right people pay for disposal of their own waste. That's fundamentally what it does. And we do this by physically tracking some of the waste vessels, by providing waste budgets to subcontractors. For a given amount of work, it's fairly predictable how much waste should be produced, so we can easily set waste targets and budgets and ensure that the right people are paying and the waste gets separated properly.
Yeah, because that obviously not just within the construction industry, that is a big problem with society about making sure that things are put in the right places. So again, offering that solution, you are the how. It's not something that's going to be happening in 10 years' time. You've done it. You've got the solution.
It's that we like to think so, and you know, we have to. I think the feedback I really would give is that, you know, we learnt this the hard way. We're part of a large group of companies. They have in our group of companies is an operational company called Monthly Support Services. They gave us a lot of great feedback about this problem on site, so they were really happy to try it out on a couple of their contracts. So we pretty much know it works, and we hope to be able to convince other potential customers of the same thing.
It's brilliant. It's so good to hear that this is happening within the industry. So we are here at UK Construction Week. Yeah. Day 2's busy. How are you finding it?
Well, we're newbies at this. This is the first time we've been to UK Construction. I guess like a lot of people, we scoped it out last year and the year before. We went to the show up in Birmingham to try and work out where was the best place to have it and the right sort of people to talk to. But we've been really happy. We had a couple of hiccups in terms of our stand setup, but that's just because we're newbies, and as a team we worked it out, and Dale and the guys have been great.
And why is it important that you are here?
We felt that we've got a good message to tell, a good story to tell people about our contribution to the problem of environmental issues and waste management, and that's part of the motivation of being here. We're also clearly looking for potential new customers, so our hope today is that we'll make those connections, have those conversations, and that, you know, that'll develop into mutually beneficial business.
Absolutely. Amazing, Philip. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me.
Thank you, Louise. Appreciate it.
So come down and have a chat with Philip and the team and learn more about the wonderful